Welcome to our exploration of Australia's burgeoning luxe tiny home trend. In this video, we'll dive into the surprising shift that's turning small living spaces into luxurious retreats, capturing the hearts of many across the continent. From stunning designs that maximize every square foot to eco-friendly features that make green living stylish, we'll uncover what makes these tiny homes a big dream for many. Join us as we navigate through the world of chic cottages, sleek containers, and everything in between, discovering how these tiny abodes are reshaping the way Australians think about home sweet home. 1. The surprising shift. Tiny homes, big dreams. Step into a world where tiny doesn't mean basic, but bursts with comfort and style. In Australia, tiny homes have become a symbol of both freedom and luxury, an unexpected twist that's catching everyone off guard. Once the humble answer to sky-high housing costs, these compact dwellings now dazzle with high-end finishes and smart innovations. Imagine squeezing all the glitz of a 5-star suite into a space no bigger than your garage. It sounds impossible, but it's happening all across the country, from bustling cities to windswept coasts. People are downsizing not just for financial relief, but also for a slice of luxury they never thought possible in such a small package. The result? A movement that's as much about delight as it is about downsizing. 2. Why Australians are falling in love with luxe tiny living. There's an undeniable charm to opening your front door and finding only what you truly need, and everything perfectly designed. Australians are increasingly drawn to these homes because they offer a way to break free from endless chores and clutter. Instead of cleaning spare rooms and dusting forgotten corners, residents are spending weekends hiking, traveling, or simply enjoying their local community. It's not just about saving money, although that's a huge plus. It's about reclaiming time and energy for what matters most. Many say the minimalist lifestyle feels like a breath of fresh air, clearing both physical and mental space. And when that minimalism comes wrapped in luxury, it feels like living in a high-end retreat every single day. 3. Design magic. How tiny spaces feel like mansions. Walking into a modern Australian tiny home, you might forget you're in a small space at all. Designers have become experts at turning every square meter into something special. Think hidden drawers beneath steps, beds that fold away, and dining tables that double as workspaces. Open-plan layouts make rooms flow effortlessly, and clever use of vertical space means there's always a spot for everything. Tall windows and skylights flood rooms with sunlight, making even the most compact homes feel bright and open. The best designs blur the line between indoors and outdoors, so cooking dinner can mean gazing out at gum trees or the rolling surf. These homes are proof that with a little imagination, small can feel grand. 4. Luxury touches in every corner. Step inside one of these homes and you'll spot the difference right away. Forget flimsy countertops and bargain bin appliances. Here, it's all about quality. Many tiny homes feature gleaming stone benchtops, hardwood floors, and spa-inspired bathrooms. Kitchens are kitted out with high-end appliances that make cooking a joy, even in a compact galley. Some homes go a step further, installing smart home tech so you can dim lights or adjust the temperature with a tap of your phone. There's heated flooring for winter mornings, rainfall showers, and even built-in speakers for surround sound. These aren't just houses, they're personal sanctuaries, designed to spoil you every day. 5. Trending styles. From chic cottages to sleek containers, Australia's tiny home scene isn't a one-size-fits-all affair. Some folks fall for the storybook charm of a tiny cottage, complete with a front porch and flower boxes under the windows. Others gravitate toward the clean lines of Scandinavian-inspired minimalist designs, where every detail is carefully considered. Then there are the bold souls who turn shipping containers into ultra-modern pads, combining industrial edge with cozy comfort. Each style offers something different, whether it's rustic warmth, modern simplicity, or urban cool. This variety means there's a luxury tiny home to match nearly any personality or dream. 6. Where tiny homes find their place. Nature, community, and city life. It's not just what's inside these homes that makes them special, it's where they're placed. Many luxury tiny homes pop up in scenic spots, nestled among eucalyptus trees or perched near the beach. Some spring up in eco-villages or intentional communities, where neighbors share gardens, workshops, and a sense of camaraderie. Living in these places feels different, it's more connected, slower paced, and deeply rooted in the land. But tiny homes aren't just for rural escapes. Some are tucked into city lots, giving urbanites a way to own their slice of paradise without leaving the action. Whether it's the peace of the bush or the buzz of the city, location is part of the Luxe experience. 7. The dollars and cents of going tiny. And Luxe. At first glance, luxury tiny homes might seem pricey compared to their basic counterparts. But when you factor in ongoing savings, lower power bills, less maintenance, and minimal property taxes, the picture changes. Many buyers find they can pay outright, skipping the stress of a mortgage. For some, it's a strategic move. Rent out the tiny home for extra income, or use it as a holiday rental to help cover costs. The financial freedom tiny living brings often surprises people, and the ability to live debt-free is, for many, the ultimate luxury. 8. Eco-friendly features. Green living in style. Sustainability isn't just a buzzword in Australia's Luxe tiny home world. It's a guiding principle. Builders are using recycled materials, non-toxic finishes, and energy-efficient technologies as standard. Solar panels power everything from fridges to entertainment systems, and rainwater tanks keep gardens lush. Composting toilets and greywater systems mean residents can live lightly on the land, often completely off-grid. It's a win-win. Luxury living that's gentle on the planet, appealing to anyone who wants to shrink their carbon footprint without sacrificing comfort. 9. Everyday challenges. When small means a big change, switching from a sprawling house to a tiny home takes courage and a willingness to rethink what really matters. Some struggle with letting go of stuff or adapting to tight quarters, especially at first. There's also the paperwork. Local councils and zoning laws can sometimes make it tricky to park or build a tiny home where you want. Finding the right plot, getting permits, and sorting out utilities can take patience and creative problem-solving. But for those who stick with it, the reward is a lifestyle that feels both freeing and fulfilling. 10. What's next for Luxe tiny homes in Australia? Australia's tiny home movement is just getting started, with more creative solutions and breathtaking designs popping up each year. As builders and buyers push the envelope, new possibilities emerge, from two-story tiny homes to mobile studios packed with the latest tech. The blend of luxury, sustainability, and smart design is changing the way Australians think about home. The question now is, how small would you go for a taste of true luxury?